Welcome to a cooking video brought to you by Inexpensive Eating. Let's take a cooking journey together and hopefully end up with something edible. One at a time, we're going to place our chicken breasts in a Ziploc bag and pound them until they're at an even thickness. What, you haven't played drums on a chicken breast before? Real men wash their hands after touching raw chicken. Next up, we'll chop up half a cup of a yellow onion. You might find it easier to peel it first. I may have chopped up too much onion. I'm a man, I don't admit my mistakes. Go ahead and put that in a medium bowl. Now add half a cup of soy sauce. Now add half a cup of unsweetened applesauce. Throw in 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. For those of you who don't have time to crush 4 garlic cloves with your butt cheeks, use half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon of canola oil. Whip out the bourbon of your choice. Add 1/4 of a cup. Now add in 1/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. Two tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just a pinch of red pepper flakes. Pinch it like a man. Mix that ish up. Set aside 1/3 of a cup of your marinade. We'll use this later for your sauce. Go ahead and put your marinade in your Ziploc bag. You know what to do. Mix that bitch up. You're gonna go ahead and put this in your fridge. Leave it there for at least 30 minutes. The longer the better. Unless you like a sticky fridge, you might want to go ahead and put that in a bowl. Go ahead and heat your grill on a medium to low heat. Spray that mofo with some Pam. It's time to slap those breasts on the grill. You'll want to cook them on each side for 4 to 6 minutes, or until they're fully cooked through. To ensure your chicken's fully cooked through, take off the thickest piece. cut it in the thickest part. If there's any pink left inside, it's not ready. Now in a medium saucepan, you're going to combine that third of a cup of marinade you set aside before with half a cup of chicken broth. Bring that to a boil over medium to high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low until the sauce is thickened, which will be about 5 to 6 minutes. God. Good. If you found this recipe edible, head on over to inexpensiveeating.com and peruse some of our other scrumptious, affordable, inexpensive, and easy to make recipes. Give us a follow on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribe to YouTube because I said so. Until next time. Never address your feelings or show any sign of weakness until it blows over one day and ruins your marriage. And chew thoroughly.